Kia ora! Hello my friends! So today I thought it would be fun to share with you my Usakumya collection. So I thought it was fitting that I wear one of my absolute favourite dresses. Let me show you the bottom. So this dress here is Kuma's Cherry Strawberry, which is so adorable. I have a dedicated video on this dress. If you do want to see more details, I'll link it above for you. I'm going to go in order that I got my Usakumyas. So we are starting with this one here. This is Usakumya mini rucksack. So she normally has little backpack straps, but I ended up putting this on her just so I could hang her from an outfit. But yes, she is the mini rucksack. I got her secondhand from the Closet Child in Harajuku, so she is super special, being my first baby and also a lovely memento from Japan. And she's got a surprise talent. She squeaks! Yay! So I have had a bit of a tricky time placing what release she is from, but I believe she's from the 2016 one. So that is based off the stitching on her nose and as well this pink tag that she has. So yeah, the other bears that are from the 2019 release in particular, they have a different kind of tag, so I don't think she's from that release. I feel like, yeah, she might be from the 2016 release, but the only issue is they don't have any pictures of Usakumya. They only have photos of Kumya Kumya from that release, but they have this pink tag, whereas the other ones don't. Maybe one of you guys out there know for sure, but for now, I think she's maybe from 2016. My next baby is Usakumya-chan, who wants to be a strawberry project. Just quickly, you will hear me swapping between Usakumya-chan and Usakumya. I do have some friends who call her Usakumya-chan and I've just picked up this habit from them. But yeah, I don't know, I thought I would mention that if you've noticed. So here she is up close and she is from the 2019 release. As you can see, I have left the tag on, and that is because she was the first piece of brand new brand that I ever got directly from a brand. Yay! So I have gotten new items in the past before, but I bought those secondhand. So yeah, she feels really special being like my first ever item brand new from Baby the Star Shine Bright. I love when they add the unique little print on the extra foot that doesn't have the little bee emblem. I think it's a really cute touch, and so here you can see Usakumya with strawberry and cherry, which suits my dress perfectly. Next up is my most worn Usakumya, who is my black Usakumya. She is the Usakumya Pochette from 2019. I adore her blue eyes on the black fur. I think she looks so gorgeous. I do really like the ones with red eyes as well. The black with red eyes is really cute. I do want one of them in the future as well to go with my like demonic days, I suppose. But yes, this one here, she is so gorgeous, and one of my favorite aspects about this Usakumya is that I bought her from my friend, and so my friend is going to move overseas and she was selling some of her lolita to help with that, and yeah, I got this Usakumya from her, and so it's going to be really nice because she will always remind me of my friend, which is really lovely and such warm fuzzies. And I feel like Usakumya is happy, she is staying, you know, within this community here with me, and yeah, it's really nice. If you're wondering why all my Usakumyas are so lovely and round and plump, that is because I put bubble wrap in their bellies just to give them really cute shape and like for them to be nice and squishable and huggable. I suppose some people, you know, actually want to use these like bags, and all the power to them, go ahead, but for me, I can't really be bothered taking off the hood and then like getting in there, and you can't even fit like that much inside of them. So yeah, I prefer to put some like bubble wrap or something in their bellies so they're just lovely and cute. I guess it's like a personal opinion. I think she looks much nicer with a round belly than like those like little concaved, little like sad empty bellies. But that's just me. I guess some people out there might actually like to use them as bags. I prefer to just have a plushie whom I can hug with me all the time. So I did mention that she is my most worn Usakumya, which is true. I tend to wear her all the time. Since she's black, I'm not as scared to get her dirty, which is really handy. And yeah, she goes with like the majority of my outfits when I'm outside of Lolita fashion, because I wear heaps of black. I'm like an emo in my soul, and I was for several years as a teenager. But yeah, so she suits like my everyday wear that I wear to university and to the supermarket and stuff, and I don't know, I feel really comforted when I bring her along, so she tends to come with me most days. Actually, I went and I got the vaccine the other day. Oh, I hate needles. Oh my gosh, I like hyperventilate. I have a really hard time with needles. But I brought her along with me, and the lady was like trying to make me feel better, and she was like, "Oh, I see you have Bunny with you. What's Bunny's name?" Like, she's trying to distract me and stuff, but I just felt like such an egg because, you know, I'm a grown-ass woman. But whatever, clearly I did have my bunny with me, but anyways, just a random story. But yes, I love her. My next baby is my first ever Kumya Kumya. This mini Kumya Kumya I got second hand from Mercari. She's my oldest Kumya from 2014. Since I never translate the pages of the second hand things that I'm buying because I'm naughty, I thought she was going to be a mini rucksack like my Usakumya. But she is in fact a little like handheld purse. Oh my gosh, so cute. So yeah, that's really adorable, and I really love having a different kind of style of bag. I can imagine some really cute photos holding her in front of me. She has a mini zip out the back, just like my mini Kumya Kumya, but this one, she does not squeak. And lucky last, the most recent addition to my family is my baby doll Kumya Kumya. And here she is up close. Oh my gosh, I cannot tell you how much I wish I owned this dress. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I am keeping a lookout for it so I can eventually match with my lovely Kumya Kumya. But yeah, in the meantime, I will live vicariously through her. She was a birthday gift to myself, but one of my friends wanted to chip in a little bit, which is so kind of them. So what's really lovely about this Kumya Kumya is that she is going to remind me of him as well. She's so beautifully detailed. Her old school baby doll dress is absolutely everything. This is the back, so you can see it's like a little mini JSK. It is so perfect. She came with tiny little wrist cuffs, which are so adorable. She has the wee matching bows up by her ears with the iconic little drippy baby emblem. I'm wearing mine today too. And arguably one of the cutest details of this Kumya Kumya is, don't worry, I asked if I could show you. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, she has bloomers. They are so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love her bloomers. Like, I love everything about her and her dress and everything like that, but the bloomers are hilarious. They're so cute. On the baby website, she's got her little paw like up to her mouth in the photo that's like showing the bloomers, which is super cute. It's like, oh my gosh, haha, don't look at me. I almost forgot, I have one more, maybe, which is this tiny little Sophie charm. And so my little bonus Kumya, this is a Sophie bear. She's from possibly 2010, and I think she was like a special release for the San Francisco shop in the States. I'm pretty sure it was quite hard to find information on her, but she is in fact the second like Kumya that I got, if you class her within all of them, and I bought her secondhand from Mercari as well, and she has the cutest little dress. Oh, she's covered in kitty cat fur. Whoops. You guys know Roku, my lovely baby, loves to sleep on top of my toys, so yay. But yes, I was going to show you the dress, the back of it as well. Can you see it even like crosses over, and it's just this like super cute like little JSK, and she has like a little bonnet and tiny little bows by her ears, and she even has the tiniest little bee on her foot, which is so cute. She is meant to be like a cell phone or a bag charm, but I don't want to use her like that because I fear that she will just get too dirty like immediately. So yes, she just lives on the bed with my other babies. And that's the whole video. I hope you did enjoy meeting my Kumya family and like finding out a little bit more about each of them. I really enjoyed getting to show you, and like I think it'll be fun in future for me to look back and like see my family and see how it might grow and change. I'll never sell anybody. Oh my gosh, no. Like once you're in the family, that is it for life. So yes, I hope you may have enjoyed yourself, and hopefully I'll get to see you in my next video. Bye!